I bet you didn't know 1 in 8 drivers have no insurance. If one hits you, who pays? It might not be your policy. Uninsured drivers are everywhere. If they hit you, most basic insurance won't cover your bike or your medical bills. That's why you need uninsured motorist coverage. It's the add-on that protects you when others can't. As Progressive Platinum agents, we know what riders need. Don't gamble on the road. Ride protected. Visit heatonbennett.com or call us today. Let's review your policy. Tap for a quote before your next ride.